Now children, sixth question. Describe how the two figures below are alike and how they are different. Which box has the larger lateral surface area? Larger lateral surface area. So we learned about the total surface area. What is this lateral surface area means? Total surface area of a cylinder means this whole part, this curved part plus this two circular part together. Area of the topper and bottom part together, we call it as a total surface area. But lateral surface area means only the curved part. We are not taking the topper area and bottom area. So for a cylinder, if it is like this, you are not taking the topper and bottom area. This one is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. This part. So when you are unfolding, it will be like a rectangle. Okay. So this is what is lateral surface area of a cylinder. Same way, if you are taking a cube also, this part will be taken. Okay. Bottom part and topper part and bottom part will be avoided. Only this part, that is lateral surface area. If you are seeing the wall, okay, top, ceiling and the floor will be avoided. The other walls part is lateral surface area. So if the question comes like how the painting, the area to be painted means, you will take the lateral surface area. You no need to paint on the bottom and no need to paint on the ceiling. It will be of different color or something. So when you are seeing like that, it then also we will take the lateral surface area. That is the need of doing finding the lateral surface area. So these part alone is lateral surface area, not taking the top and bottom. Okay. So now question. Describe how the two figures below are alike and how they are different. Which box has the larger lateral surface area? So cylinder is given height is equal to 7 centimeter and radius equal to 7 centimeter. Not radius, it is diameter. So what about the radius? Radius will be 7 by 2. Okay. Now a cube is given where length, breadth and height. When cube means all the sides, it will be of same measure. So length, breadth and height, everything is of the same measure because it is a cube. So which one will be having the larger surface area? We'll see. So what is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? Okay. So to find the lateral surface area, I told the volume how to find is the area of the base into height is volume. I told at the beginning of this chapter. Base area into height is volume, I told. Same way, that is perimeter, or for a cylinder means circumference into height is lateral surface area. That is perimeter. If it is a cube or a cuboid, it is perimeter. If it is a cylinder, it is circumference of a circle into height. Okay, that will. So what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r into height, if you do, you will get lateral surface area. For a cube, what is the perimeter? That is, perimeter is 4 into L. L plus L plus L plus L. That only perimeter of the square. 4L. What is that? 4L is the perimeter of the square. Okay. So that L 4 into L into L. One more L. Perimeter of the square is 4L into height. That is 4L into L is equal to 4L square is the lateral surface area of the cube. Understood? Perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base is 4 into L as it is a square. 4 into L is the perimeter. Perimeter into height. Height is also L only. So 4L into L, that is equal to 4L square is the lateral surface area of the cube. Now let us find the solution. Diameter of the cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius equal to 7 by 2. Height of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. So let us apply the formula. Lateral surface area of the cylinder equal to What is the circumference? 2 pi r. Let us see. 2 pi r is the, 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle into height. Okay, circumference of the circle into height is lateral surface area. So now you are applying the values, that is pi value 22 by 7, then r is equal to 7 by 2 into height 7. You can cancel it. Okay, 7 and 7 got cancelled, 2 and 2 got cancelled, then remaining is 22 into 7, that is equal to 154 centimeter square. So that is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now lateral surface area for cube. Cube also all L's are same, that is 7. So I explained how you got 4L square. So now you are substituting it. So L is equal to 7. Length is equal to 7. So you are substituting, that is 4 into 7 square, that is equal to 49. Okay, so 4 into 49 equal to 196 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of the cube. So which is greater, 154 or 196? 196. So lateral surface area of the cube is greater or larger. Okay. Now we'll go to next question. Now let us see question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. It is made out of a metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Okay, how much sheet of metal is required? So if you want to make a cylinder of these measures, what you should find? You should find the total surface area of the cylinder. So you are just applying the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. This formula you are applying and you are finding the total surface area of the cylinder. R is given as, radius only is given, not the diameter. So it is very simple. R is equal to 7. Height of the cylinder equal to 3 and total surface area. Now we'll apply in the formula, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. So let us apply it. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 and into r is equal to 7, h plus r, that is 3 plus 7. So 7 and 7 got cancelled. The rest is 2 into 22, that is equal to 44 into 3 plus 7, that is 10. So 440 meter square is the total surface area of the cylinder. Hence, you can write, hence 440 meter square metal sheet is required. It is very simple. You are just applying in the formula 2 pi r into h plus r formula. Okay, now we'll go to next question.